Hello crafting friends, it's Becky here with Bestie Becky's Crafts, and today's craft is this cute little thing here. It is called a mini circle loaded envelope. I guess that sounds like a good name for it because it is a circle and it is an envelope and it's loaded. So let's pan back and check it out. Isn't that cute? And it is packed full of goodies, and you're like, how can that thin little thing be packed with goodies? It is. But let's show you how to make it first, and then we'll go through everything that's inside of it. So super easy to make. You need, well, you really only need 2 circles, but I cut out 3. And what I did was I used the biggest circle die that I have, and it happens to be this one right here, which measures 4 inches. You can see that, measures 4 inches. Now, you can use different sizes. You could go bigger if you wanted. You could go smaller if you wanted. If you had a scallop circle, you could do that. Totally up to you. If you don't have a die, that's fine. Use a plate, a glass, or make your own circle, however you want to do it. That's what makes this project easy, is you really don't need any special tools to use it. Now, I like my backsides covered. No one wants to see my backside. No. You could leave this white. You don't have to have it covered. If you have double-sided cardstock, that works wonderful. But it's very hard to find double-sided cardstock. I don't know about you guys, but I have a terrible time finding double-sided cardstock. So that's why I cut out 3 circles. So I'm going to pick out which circle I want as the back side and which circle I want as my pocket. And I'm thinking, I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I'm going to go with the cream side as my back side. Yeah. So, what you do is you put some glue on your back side, like so. You could use whatever glue you like. It doesn't have to be wet glue. It could be tape glue, whatever. Alright, so there's my backside and the inside of my pocket area. Okay, so this is going to be my pocket. And all you need to do is cut it in half. So what I kind of found is the easiest thing to do is to just fold it in half. And crease it. And that makes your line. And you know it's the center. I forgot my bone folder. And you open it up. You've got your line, right? Both sides there. Use your handy dandy scissors. And just cut along that line. And you've cut down the center. So you have 2 pieces. So one piece you can use to make with your die cuts, make ephemera pieces, whatever. So set that aside. Don't throw it away. The other piece is our pocket. And so all we do is put glue along that bottom rounded edge. My glue tip has a little goober on it. All these crafting terms. Goober. Alright, so you just match it along the bottom. Push it together, get a nice seal. And there's your pocket. Done. You got your back side, you got your pocket area, and now, as you can see, like on this one, I decorated my pocket, and then I filled it. So, let's go through the one that I decorated. So, all I did to decorate the pocket was, well, and you can see on this one, I used a scalloped circle as the outside, and then for my pocket, I just used a circle and cut it in half so that you could see the scalloped edge on the bottom. I glued a piece of cream colored cardstock. Maybe I need to zoom down a little bit. There we go. I used a piece of cream colored cardstock and I crinkled it. Put a piece of pink cardstock on top of it and then a row of pearls, and underneath is some lace. I cut out a butterfly, put pearls for his body, and covered him in Wink of Stella, my fave, and then just cut out a little sign from the paper pack that I used and foam tape to kind of raise it up a little bit. Tied a bow. Easy. Now let's go inside and see what's inside. I made a banner using the same paper pad and my dies and stuff I had just laying around. This is a good way to use up some of those little pieces that you have or pieces that people have sent you. And I put a heart die in there, nice little scalloped heart, and I put a doily die cut in there, and a piece of what do you call this from the paper pack, you know, where they have all that page with all of the stuff on it. I cut out one of those, and then I just added a heart paper clip, oops, at the top. And then here you can get a better idea of what my pocket looks like. And hold it straight, right? Very easy, very easy. Now the pocket doesn't hold a whole lot. It is flat, pretty flat, not a whole lot of room in there, so you can't get a whole lot in there. But that's okay, because you can always add extra little packages, you know, make little extra pieces and put on there. Add to it. So I'm just going to push this to the side. I did make another one, and I'll show you how I made this one. Now hopefully this one doesn't glare too much. Is it going to glare too much? No. Okay. It's just going to glare at me. Whew. So this one, I cut out pieces like I did this, but I sandwiched in between my two back pieces turn it over, two gold doilies, paper doilies, like this. Because I thought I just needed a little something, and I was in the mood for gold. So I sandwiched those in between, and then I did a fringe out of gold along the pocket top, and a piece of paper, some pearls. I made my own paper rose, which I should do a video on how to do that sometime. Super easy. Super easy. And of course I added glitter to it because, I mean, you know, come on, right? And then the leaves have Wink of Stella on them, and then, I don't know, I just felt in the mood for some tulle, so I added some tulle in there to kind of fill in the spaces. And then what I have in the pocket is a similar banner to the other one I made. I put the other one next to it, as you can see. I just kind of used different colors. but they're a lot similar because I'm going to send them both to the same person. So I wanted things to kind of match. So I made a banner, and I cut out a heart die. My pocket in this one's a little bit smaller because of my rose and my tulle. So make sure you kind of think that through when you go to decorate it. And then a postage stamp die, if you can see that. And then I cut out from the paper pack, it says enjoy the little things. So cut that out of the paper pack. And then, zoom out a little bit, I just made a paper clip, cut out a butterfly out of gold. Hope he doesn't glare on you. To put on there. And I might put some pearls or something on him. I'm not quite sure yet. So, and then on the back of the pockets, I'm going to cut out a label and put my information on it for the swap. So that's it. Oh, glitter. Yay! Glitter everywhere, right? So, really easy. I'll bring the two pockets back over. Super easy swap. Super easy thing to make. It was a lot of fun. It really did not take me long to make the pockets. As you can see here, how long it took to put together, and just how much you want to decorate it and how much you want to fill it. That's how long it takes. So, that's it. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll do a video on how I made my flower. Like I said, it's real easy, a lot of fun, takes a little practice. I'm not perfect at it, but the fun thing about it is you don't have to be. So, that's it. Have a great night, happy crafting, and I will see you next time. Bye.